Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Blue Heaven makeup blender. So if you're interested in knowing about this blender and how it works, then continue watching. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It says latex free and hassle free, and this retails for 150 rupees, and all the other details are mentioned at the packaging. So once we open the packaging, this is how the blender looks like. It's very squishy and soft, you guys, and once I have dampened it, this is how it looks. It have become double the size and it have become more squishy and soft. So now let's just use and see how it works. Before that, I'm going to be prep my skin using this argan facial oil from Good Vibes, and then using this Milani foundation. So I'm going to be applying this first on one side of my face, and then I'm going to be using this blender. So once I started blending this foundation, I can literally feel the foundation was blending really seamlessly, and the blender was really soft and smooth on my skin. It was not at all hard and harsh. So yeah, that's what I really loved about this beauty blender, and I was really impressed, you guys, because you can literally see how it blended my foundation very easily. It does soak up little product, and I felt it does not soak up too much. It's just the stain because of the color of the beauty blender. So this is how my face looks once I've applied the foundation. Honestly, I really love the finish it have given me. It have not given any streaky or patchy application, and I did same thing on my other side of my face as well. For me, basically, I was very skeptical about this blender because I have used many other blenders which are really shabby and hard, which don't work at all. But this blender, you guys, is amazing. It really has that potential to blend your foundation seamlessly, as they have mentioned. So once I have like blended the foundation, I did use my concealer. So for me, basically, I was very skeptical about blending my concealer and foundation in the inner corner of my face, and I must say I did apply the foundation and concealer on the inner corners. You can see here it easily goes into your inner corners and blend your foundation concealer very nicely and seamlessly, and around your nose as well. And once I have done blending the foundation and concealer, this is how the blender looks like. It does soak up a lot of product, but that's not an issue because it still gives you that full coverage. And now I use this loose powder to set my base, and I must say the loose powder also went on very smooth. The application was very smooth and seamless, as you can see right here, and it did not cake up my base. So that was a really great, and overall I really love this beauty blender, and I would definitely recommend it to you all because it's very affordable and it's latex free as well. And this is how my base looks. Obviously I should do rest of my face, but for now let's just move on with washing the beauty blender. I just washed it with normal water first and then used shampoo, and then I just squeezed the beauty blender like very gently, and then I washed it with normal water. It did washed out completely at one wash itself, but the down part had little bit of foundation left, so I did use the shampoo once again, and it just vanished and it made my blender very clean and nice. So washing this blender is also super easy. So that was my detailed review on this beauty blender from Blue Heaven. I really hope this review was helpful, and I must say I really loved my base, how it turned out using this blender. With that, I'll finish this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Before ending this video, quick reminder about this Meesho app. Don't forget to download the Meesho app for free. You just have to download and start reselling the products because they already have products. You just have to resell for your friends, family, or anybody you want to, and then you can start earning at home. So this is the India's #1 reselling app, which is called as Meesho, and I provide all the required details of this Meesho app in the description box. You can check it out and download the app and start reselling it. Please don't miss this great opportunity.